created this ENIAC because they want to compute the values of artillery range tables. That suppose you want to say throw a artillery shell, how much it will reach and what is the reach. For that they want to create a computerized table, so automated table, so that they can create a particular angle or particular amount of ammunition into that it reaches a particular distance. So that was the basic purpose for inventing this ENIAC. And it was said that when power requirement, when it is switched on, generally there is a light fluctuation and dimming of light in Philadelphia, because at that time it was in that computer, and it is having a dedicated AC also. From that, nowadays we have evolved into this kind of laptop, which is having 13-inch screen or maybe smaller screen, or even if in the smartphone which is having a very smaller size in all the computations are doing. So this is a evolution. That is, an evolution comes through a period of 50, 60, 70 years. So if you see that as these things you know very well, that how this vacuum tube era, evolution from the vacuum tube era to the and this is from that we have evolved to the invention of bipolar junction transistors in 1950s, and then we have the era of discrete electronics. Registers in a discrete manner, and they try to assemble them on top of a PCB or circuit board. But since these circuit boards and assembling those things manually, it was quite cumbersome and quite bulky at that time. Then comes to the technology of MOSFET. It was in 1925 that was this one having the dimension of this much. Room at the bottom where Richard B. Feynman. In 1959 they have given he has given this delivered this lecture, and after that two fields has emerged. One is the field of microelectronics, another is the field of miniaturized sensors and nanometers. Now the problem is that okay, because you have to shrink the dimensions. There is a if you want to manually or human intervention, sensor industry is the called photolithography. It means writing a pattern on stone. Basically, what happens that you take the advantage of light